Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, EXP Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida, on a beautiful evening here in paradise. Anyway, we have what's bad news for one buyer. They walked away from this deal. It's good news for somebody else. And we have this fabulous home here. Here's a floor plan which we can send to you. But this home is just available for you again. Please reach out to us. I'm going to put some information down here as well. We've got an oversized 3-car garage, a huge Lanai area, private backyard. It's very close to the new Vanderbilt Beach Road with quick access over to Mercato, and Vanderbilt Beach Road obviously takes you to the beaches. So anyway, Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, EXP Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida. And you can text HT210 to 239 360 5527 for all of the property information. Anyway, we'll chat soon and check below for more information. Bye for now.